Today we are going to see how to use a third-party font inside our React Native application. So first create a folder named src assets. Inside assets, fonts. Then copy our font inside fonts. So let's download this Narco 1 font from Google Fonts and save it inside our fonts folder. Just extract the font. Copy the TTF file and place it inside fonts. Let's remove these files. So now we have the TTF file is here. So next is we need to create a file called a React Native config.js. React Native.config.js and export fonts from here. So module.export equals assets src assets fonts. Let's save it and open the terminal and link assets to this project. So npx react native link. Yeah, it's module.exports. So let's link again. Okay, now the font is linked with our Android and iOS projects. So let's open app.js and we are going to change the font for section description. So go to section description and font family. Let's give the font family to Narco 1. Save it. Let's rerun the project again. React Native run iOS. Yeah, as you can see, the font family for this description is changed. So this is how we can integrate a third-party font to our React Native application.